In a busy kitchen environment, the adapter of your UYAR donor knife can easily be exposed to splashes of water, oil, or cleaning agents. That's where our perfectly compatible protective film comes in. It provides safety. It reliably protects against moisture, oil splashes, and steam. It's ideal for open or high-traffic workspaces. It's easy to apply and can always be reused. The film was specially developed for UYAR power supplies. If the power supply is not stored permanently in a dry and protected area, it is strongly recommended to use the protective film. This way, the lifespan of your donor knife will be extended and unnecessary malfunctions will be prevented. If the protective film gets dirty or damaged, you can easily reorder it from our online store at any time. Yes, carefully designed accessories for even more safety and hygiene.